Okay, go ahead. Sparky, come.
And she's a good dog. And she's a sister. And this is Sparky. And this is Mamie. That's what they do together, and he is a boy.
Do you give them lots of love?
No.
You don't?
Hey.
Which one's your favorite?
This one.
Yeah. You like her? Because she's cuddly? Yeah. Hey, Sparky. Who's a good boy? And Ellen likes the dogs too. She likes to pet them. Yeah. Anything else you want to put in the video, Ava?
May I have a turn to do all of our yard?
You want to take a video of the yard?
Ellen.
I suppose. Oh, Ellen got a kiss.
That's me.
That puppy lick you? That puppy lick you?